Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to move Safari address bar from bottom to top on iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If your Safari address bar is at the bottom of your iPhone and then you want to move it back to the top, in order to do it, simply head over and open up your settings. And once you're inside your settings, what you need to do is scroll all the way down until you find the option that says apps right here. Simply tap on that, and once you're inside your apps, now here either you can simply tap on the search icon right here and type in Safari, or just simply scroll all the way down until you find the Safari app and then simply tap on it. Now inside the Safari option, what you need to do is again scroll all the way down until you find the tabs option, and here you'll find the option that says tab bar and single tab. Now in order to keep it as the original, all you gotta do is simply tap on the single tab option, and then once done, all you gotta do is go back and then check on your Safari and the search bar will be transferred to the top. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.